Keyword Research 005 to 020. Every successful video starts with the print. Don't let anyone treat you like a rough draft.
Next, I write an SEO-optimized title using those target keywords. But I don't stop there. I make it clickable, emotional, and aligned with what the audience wants to see. A strong title is your first step to a higher click-through rate. Then comes the video description, one of the most underrated SEO tools. I write 250 to 400 words filled with related keywords, helpful context, and viewer-focused information. The first 3 lines are especially important, as they appear in search previews. Using vidIQ's tag suggestion tool, I find and insert high-performing tags. These tags help YouTube understand my video's topic and improve its visibility in related searches and suggested videos. Before publishing, I check my vidIQ SEO score. I make sure all key areas are optimized: title, tags, description, end screen, and cards. A score above 70 means the video is fully ready for discovery. Before publishing, I check my vidIQ SEO score. I make sure all key areas are optimized: title, tags, description, end screen, and cards. A score above 70 means the video is fully ready for discovery. I also analyze top-performing competitor videos. What titles do they use? Which thumbnails get clicks? I study, learn, and then improve, always staying ahead of the curve. After the video is live, I monitor performance with vidIQ and YouTube Analytics.